Alright, welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, to another Surge Series Outdoors video. As you can maybe see, we got the dogs with us. We're going rooster hunting, right? Trying to get my first rooster ever. Tried a few other times, but I've pretty much failed. I mean, I got a pretty poor guide over here. Yeah, take a right here.
This one?
And it's currently about 3:36, just right after school. Can't skip too much school, but
Hey, first time you went out, I got my birds. My two, you got none of them. It happens. Whatever.
we're just pulling up to the spot here. So stay tuned and we should be a good hunt. We're on old private land and we'll catch you when we start shooting. Go. What?
Stay. Trigger. And no, you can't shoot that. Be ready. On forward, Chase. Just parallel me. All right, you're not bringing it here. Go get him, Trig. Did you hit that? Did I get that or you?
I think you did.
Okay, I got a line. Get up there in case another one gets up. It's a nice bird. Broke his tail though. All right.
Don't even show him.
So we walked about half the property. Been pretty anticlimactic until this one little stretch here, and we jumped 2 roosters. The first one I absolutely whiffed on. I was too excited, you know, because still haven't shot one yet. And then so Gavin shot that one, and then we got up, walked another, I don't know, 10 yards. Another one got up, missed on that one too, and Gavin hit it. So Gavin's at 2 of them. I'm at a big 0. We've jumped, I think, 4 hens, 5 hens now, I think.
One was twice though. One was big.
So hopefully there's 2 more roosters with my name on them. Stay tuned. All right, guys, that's gonna wrap up this hunt for the day. We'll probably continue it because we only got the 2 birds down that you saw me miss on both of them. But 2 really good looking birds. This land has not been hunted in a long time that I know of. So that's why they're probably really old and they haven't got hunted. But hopefully we'll get on some more for you. And then maybe we'll do a catch, clean, cook. But we gotta shoot some more. And I gotta shoot my first one, damn it. So stay tuned. See me miss some more. And some more hunting. Gav. Gav.
right by the car. She was on that thing instantly. She was on it instantly. She. Yeah, you're welcome. Well, you guys are watching second part of this video here. Kev and I are out chasing some birds here. Got one right away out of the car. Stay tuned, we'll see how we do. And good dog, good girl, good girl. Get it. Good girl. Where's your boyfriend at? Another hen. Where is he? Is he running? Get him up. Get him up. Get him. Get him up. Oh, these hens are pissing me off. Good girl. Good dog. Where's Booze? I think he's in here somewhere. Point. Get him up. Get him up. I didn't hit him very hard. He was too close. Drop. Hit him in the head though.
You got him in the head?
Yeah.
I thought you got a wing.
One in the beak. It's another nice bird.
Alright, let's go hit the next clue. We only got one more birdie.
I know. That one bird was in the grass earlier today. Come on, follow Booze, follow Booze. Let's go down here, go down here. Come down here. Good dogs. Beep him. And there's a Booze. Yeah. In the air. Get him. Get him up. Booze is right there. I think I hear it in these trees. Running, hand. I was right when I said I heard it in this tree. God, there's a lot of hens in here.
All right, guys, we are back in action. Trying my first rooster. It's hopefully today will be the day. Hopefully, that's the plan. If not, well, then you'll see another segment of me going rooster hunting. But stay tuned. Heard it's a decent spot, so we'll hopefully get one. Up here. Oh, can't shoot that.
Good girl. Good girl. I knew she was on a bird.
Yeah, she's just bouncing.
Okay, you ready for a rooster? Two more birds. Oh, hey! That son of a bitch was holding tight.
Yeah. Hey, hit one. First rooster down. How about that? After walking, I don't know, probably a mile and a half, finally get the first rooster down.
Come on, bring it here.
Woo. I wish I would have like a watch to tell me how far I walked to get my first rooster, but that's beside the part. It's just all good exercise.
Come on. Hey!
Now we just gotta find it.
What? Hey, bring this bird. This bird. What the hell, you guys? Where is it? Find him. What? Right here.
What?
Oh, good girl.
Nice one.
Yeah.
First rooster
They
right
found it,
there.
They left it.
What?
They found it and then they left it.
Oh,
Okay, let's go hit that other edge over there and then we'll come back over by the phone here.
all right.
Here, I'll put that together.
You want it? First one down. That ain't a bad one. Hey, or something right here. Huh. That was like from me to. I saw it move before I even got up. Cause when it came right here and. Huh. In time now. Yep, go. Keep going, go. Come on. Yeah, he's been locking, but nothing's popped up yet. Hey. Where's it at? That, oh, it's a hen. Well, good job, Boozer. Boozer, good job. Good job, Booze. All right, guys, that's gonna wrap this one up. We didn't see as many roosters as we had expected, but we did get my first one. So hey, that's all that matters. But on our way out, we did see a whole bunch, like more than we saw when we were actually hunting, which stinks. But I had to let Gavin shoot all my roosters the first couple times we went hunting. But it's great to get my first one, and hopefully it'll get cold out here sooner or later so we can do some ice fishing. Can't wait for that. So stay tuned for some more content, and thanks for watching. Peace.